Alright, today we're going to unbox this T-Mobile Home Internet Gateway Wi-Fi 7. This is actually a reasonably easy to attain now, but there is a couple of caveats you will need to know before try to attain this. Now you can see I have a access point and I have the hub. Okay, before this one it was for the longest one, but T-Mobile been pretty quick in releasing these product overall. Now for some of you this might be a good thing, for some of you this might not be not, but for me I'm just unboxing it to show you that what this is. Now I never had a hands-on with this product myself, so and there is no store display, or and there is a setup guide, and it's basically through T-Mobile, and if you're Metro, of course Metro, you will have to pay for this device. But regardless, if you're a Metro customer, you pay for it, you are able to technically use any SIM card and it will work theoretically. Now I did run into update issue, so you might have that looking out for you. Now this one is a little bit heavier than the previous generation one, probably previous 2 generation. Okay, so this is not your typical one. Also, it looks like it included SIM card eject tool as well, and it's a lot more beefier modem. Okay, and now before you don't have to remove this sticker, now you do, which is fine. But there's the LCD. There is your Ethernet port 2 like before. Okay, and over here is your USB, and the other one, or power, and then USB for firmware. Some people know how to use it, but I don't. Let's see. Looks like the brick is also a smaller brick, probably around 35 watt if I had to guess. Okay. Oh no, it's labeled right there, 60 watts. So you are able to use this for a Chromebook if you really wanted to. Okay. And then that's basically that unboxing. Okay. And you still have all your information down here. This is your information for when you set up your equipment and all of that stuff. You do need this item, this number to set up your gateway. Now, with the new update, you do need to use a T-Life app. You cannot log into your website version to change your SSID or Wi-Fi password. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one up and then show you. This is access point, and looks like this is probably only through T-Mobile customer because it doesn't have Metro by T-Mobile. And safety and regulation, of course they wouldn't tell you warranty, just because this really doesn't intend to warranty. Now this device actually are different quite a bit by the previous version. The previous access point are way different than this one. So I do have that sample for you, but this one also include a Ethernet cord. I would say maybe 3 to 6 feet Ethernet cord, which is the main unit does not include. And also the brick, it's probably like 25 watts brick. So I'm gonna set it up and kind of see how this works, and we're gonna go from there. And I'm gonna use my T-Life app to set it up. But this is basically a unbox video of it.